Okay, so I'm going to grab some makeup for the day. Actually, my best friend from middle school is coming over for lunch, so I figured we could pick out some makeup for the day. I want to go light today. It's clammy and it's hot. See more bronzers here. I'm going to grab, we're going to do the Revlon Light Skin for some highlighters. And I used this last week in a summer look. But you know what? Actually, I just grabbed this Koki that I just put in a video. I'm going to grab this. I thought it was so pretty. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to keep my foundation light today. I think I'm going to try this Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. I'm going to do that. Let's see here. And a palette. Actually, I wanted to do something light today. Actually, you know what? I wanted to grab a Sydney Grace palette. These are magnetic palettes that you... Oh, this one's a good one that you just, you know, pick your own. So that looks pretty. But I've been doing a lot of pinks lately because I love pink and it's summertime. Let's stick to this one. This looks a little bit more neutral. So I'm going to grab this one. Okay, I'll grab them both. So that is that. And I'm going to do a gloss. I'm going to grab one of my City Beauty. I'm going to grab one of my City Beauty lip glosses. Oh, this one's pretty. Look, it's got a little shimmer to it. Let's see. This one is called, oh, how cute is that? Nude York. So we're going to grab that. Okay, then in my bathroom, I have more stuff, but I have like my lip liners and all that good stuff. My tried and true. And I think I'm going to do, let's see. I'm going to do the Too Faced Lady Bold lip liner just to put underneath that gloss. The Usually. Benefit Precisely My Brow. I think I'm going to do, the Sensational Mascara. Like more stuff here, more stuff. So I'm going to grab that. And I think I'm going to do the number 7 today. I think I'm going to grab the number 7 setting powder. And as usual, I'm going to grab my Makeup Forever eyeliner. Okay, so I think that's about it. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, like you saw before, I figured we'd do some makeup picks for the day. My hair is all over the place. Look at all these flyaways. I just washed my hair. You know, when that first day of super duper clean hair is tricky. But anyway, so I figured we could pick out makeup for the day today. I am having lunch with my bestie today. And we're going to do a little shopping. We're going to go to Sephora. Anyway, so I figured, you know, we can get ready together. I have all my moisturizer on. How the hell I get a pimple in the brow? But anyway, let's just get started, shall we? I did not grab, it's going to be quick. You know, it's going to be a nice light look, I hope. I'm going to just bring in my mirror over here. I hate that it's in the way, but, you know, it is what it is. So I'm going to just spot conceal with my favorite. This is the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth With. My favorite. I shouldn't even waste it on these lovers over here. But anyway, this is my favorite so far. My favorite concealer of all times. I have been trying out new concealers. I tried out the LYS. I tried out the Hourglass. You know. It is what it is. So I'm going to just shear this little lover out. It's hot out. It's freaking hot. So I grabbed this Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator, Tinted Skin Veil. Yep, this is hyaluronic acid, squalene, oil-free. And I have this, what the heck is this? This is light medium, which it could be a little bit too light right now-ish, but we're going to make it work. Anyway, this is a sheer to medium coverage. Exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm so super excited. I have been best friends with my girl probably since 7th grade, 6th grade. I don't even remember. I'll post some pictures along the way. She's born and raised in Brooklyn. I'm a Jersey girl. And we just clicked. We just clicked. I want to say it was probably 6th grade, 7th grade. Who the heck remembers? I'm going to just take my beauty blender just to blend everything in. You know, I like to go in with my brush first, my BK Beauty brush. And then go in with the sponge just to... I personally love the way the sponge ultimately lays my foundation. That's just me, but I do like to go in with the brush first. But I'm just looking for something, you know, light. I have like this much left over. I'm going to just take the rest of it on the butt of the sponge and just to press in the rest of this tint. It's so pretty. Exactly what I was looking for. Yes, it is kind of light for this time of year. But you know, I'm not, oh my god, my hair is sticking straight up. I really am not into like buying like a darker foundation, you know, for the summertime. You know, it's just, it's so freaking hard to begin with to get a good foundation. Now you're gonna mess around with the color. So I like to just either put like some kind of, that's my baby. But anyway, we'll just warm it up with some bronzer. Just gonna go right into some eyeshadow. I love Sydney Grace. These are their magnetic pads, boxes, if you will, whatever. So I just grabbed what I liked. So no rhyme or reason. So I have that one. And I also have these right over here. But I think I've been doing like too many mauves and pinks, even though this is too. But I wanted to do something a little bit neutral today. So these magnets are so strong. So this one is in San Jose. So I'm going to go all over my eyelids with San Jose. I love Sydney Grace. If you don't know who they are, I will absolutely leave them below. Their formulas are so beautiful. Now, I don't know anything about Pat McGrath and all those really high end, but from what I'm understanding, the formula is just as beautiful and pigmented, if not more. So that's it. I'm going to just throw that nice transitional shade right over there. And let's see here. I think I'm going to take this angled brush from BK Beauty. And let's see here. I think I'm going to go in with this color here, and it's called Tippy Taupe. Tippy Taupe, cute. So there it is right over here. Just to darken up the edges. But anyway, yeah, so I have been best friends with my girlfriend Alita since we were probably in middle school. She came from Brooklyn. Her parents were divorced. Her dad moved to New Jersey. And the rest is his story. And speaking of his story, boy, we have tons of stories to tell. But, you know, thank you, Jesus. There was no, you know, social media cameras, this and that. Because, girl, we did some shady shit. Okay? We did some shady shit. But anyway, so, yeah. So she's having major surgery next week on her feet. 1 foot at a time. So we are going to make the best of today. I'm going to throw in a little shimmer on the edge, and this is called Arabian Night. Don't mind my freaking nails, they are atrocious. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to take that same angled brush just to put a little bit, ooh, of shimmeroony right over here. Ooh, that's so pretty. Yeah. That's nice. I'm going to take my fluffy brush just to soften this up a little bit. Actually, I think I'm going to take a lighter color here. And if I forget, I will leave the colors down below. But my God, Sydney Grace's formula is so beautiful. So nice. Actually, there's a stark white color right over here that I'm going to put underneath my brow. I may make a mistake because it's so stark white. But yeah, I like it. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I do not like shimmer. Damn, that pimple hurts. I do not like shimmer underneath my brow. So these whites Cream colors come in super duper handy. Okay, great. I think I'm gonna just throw in, you know, I wasn't gonna do any kind of pink mauve blah 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 yada yada, but I think I'm gonna go in on the lid with the greatest gift. This is what it is. Damn, I hope you guys can see this. There you go. So I'm gonna just pop that on my lid. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, wait, that is gorge. Just with a little bit of pizzazz. That's really nice. But anyway, yeah. So we've been friends for over 30 years. And we like to make the time to spend time together. I mean, she's busy. She's got 4 kids. I mean, granted, they're all grown. I have mine, blah, blah, blah. She's also a nurse. She's a labor and delivery nurse. Ooh, that looks so good. Let's go in with some concealer. But anyway, like I always say, we're all busy. We're all busy. You know, we're all family, life, this, that, hobbies. I just feel, and whatever the definition of the relationship is, parents, spouses, you know, siblings, it doesn't matter to me. If the relationship is important to you, you will make the time for it. No. Do I talk to her every day? No. Do I see her all the time? No. But I'd like to check in. That's perfect. I don't want too much. I'm just going to go in with my sponge. But yes, we check in periodically. How's it doing? How's it going? Blah, 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 yada, yada. So we do try to get together. Whoops. We do try to get together a few times a month. Okay, so let me just go in. I'm going to just go in with, you know what? I think I may take that stark white and just put it in the inner corner instead of like a shimmer today. So that's what we're going to do. I haven't done that in quite some time. Oh, that looks really nice though. Hello, I'm awake. And then with the same brush, I think I'm going to go in with that, with an Arabian Night, with that darker brown. That's nice, perfect. And then I'm going to smoke that little lover out, because just because we're going shopping doesn't mean we can't have a smoky look. This has to be one of my all-time favorite smoky brushes. This is the 207 from BK Beauty. I think it's so perfect to smoke it out. And you know what I think I'm going to do, since this is a little, I was going to say, since this has got a little bit of a purpley pinky shimmer, I was going to smoke that out. Yeah, let's do it. And this is, let me see what color this is. This is Winter Wonder. So I'm going to smoke that out with that. It's a little, it's very mauve-y, so I may just mix it with something darker. Oh yeah, perfectamundo. Okay, that is perfect. Just a nice casual-y kind of day. That's right, I'm going to use the number 7. This is the number 7 Lift and Luminaid Triple Action Translucent Finishing Powder in light. I don't like to, I usually get a translucent color because I don't want to distort anything. I don't like to distort the color that I have on my face. Okay, I love this friggin' concealer. I haven't found one better, but I'm still in search of, because you know I have to have an emergency just in case. Just in case. Okay, that is perfect. Now, let's warm up this face, shall we? I'm going to use the Rare Beauty. This is in Happy Soul. Love, 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 love. So let me just warm up this little lover. Okay, cool. And then I just want to go over it with the Makeup by Mario. This is the Sculpting Skin Enhancer. I just want a little bit more balminess on my face today. Ooh, that is so friggin' pretty. I just go in with the Dior Powder No Powder. I still don't know what the hell this is. Thank you, Samantha March. I just want to set everything that we just did. So I'm going to just do that. Alrighty, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Ooh, I'm loving these products. I I was just talking about this new Cookie blush. Yes, it's not new, but it's very new to me. I just did a video on it of new products, I think. I can't remember. This is in Star Crossed. It is so friggin' pretty. So, did I bring... Yes. Did I bring my blush brush? So, I'm going to just swirl it. I think it's so beautiful. Look at that. All right. I did say I wasn't going to wear any pink, but ooh, that is so pretty. Look how beautiful that is. Got a little bit too much over here, but, you know, we will definitely tone that down. But do we really have to, though? Girl, do I really have to tone my blush down? Really? Love the pinkiness on the apples of the cheek. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm going to grab my Revlon Skin Lights highlighter. This is in Daybreak Glimmer. So, I mean, come on. Look at that, how beautiful and blinding that is. Geez, I haven't grabbed Sydney Grace eyeshadows in such a long time. I have forgotten how beautiful. Just a little bit. I have really forgotten. Ugh, my hair is really pissing me off today. That is so pretty. Love, love, love. I'm going to just step off camera real quick, do the eyebrows, do the eyeliner, eyelashes. Of course, everything will be linked below. You know that. And then we will come back and we will do the lips together. I'll be right back. Okay, so that is it. I just finished my eyeballs, but of course, you know, I have everything listed below. So I'm going to just go in with a gloss. You know that, girl. I haven't grabbed one of my City Lights, City Lips glosses in such a long time. This is in Nude New York, but I'm thinking now, it'll match. I'm thinking now it wouldn't match, but I think it will. Anyway, love, 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 love City Lips. I have like 5,000 of them back there. But anyway, I just grabbed my Too Faced Lady Bold Lead the Way lip liner. I haven't grabbed this in such a long time. I think it would complement the eyeshadow nicely, but who knows? We'll see. Okay, no it doesn't. It's completely a different color. But hell, we're going to do it anyway. No, that's completely different. So let me just take this off just a little bit. And, okay, it doesn't come off. You want to talk about waterproof? Okay. Okay, Too Faced waterproof. I'm going to just throw on top of that, this is the Christian Odette and Mel Thompson collaboration. This is in Smooches. I think this will be much, much better with the color that we have on our eyes. Yippers. Okay, that's like super duper pretty. And then of course we're going to top it off with the City Lips in Nude York. I love these names, Nude York. That's cute. That is so cute. This has like a nice little champagne-y kind of color. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. So nice. Ooh. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? Okay, so that is it, guys. These are my makeup picks for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. So leave me some comments below. Did you like these products? Do you have these products? And how do you think my makeup day came out? Let me know. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.